Hello everyone, welcome back. So, I usually do not finish all my skincare products because I'm trying so many of them and I have just one face, right? But with this particular product, I almost finished the whole tube. I literally have to squeeze to get the last bit out. And guess what? I got myself another one. And that already says a lot. Today I'm talking about the Illiyoon Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream and why it's become one of my most trusted moisturizers. In my first video about this cream where I did the 7-day test, I mentioned that it felt too heavy for daytime use, so I only used it at night. But a few months later, I decided to test this in the mornings as well. And to my surprise, it worked just as beautifully during the day. I was literally surprised. Even with my sensitive, oily to combination skin that breaks out easily, this cream didn't clog my pores, didn't cause acne or pimples. It was just soothing and nourishing. Now let's talk texture. This cream has a rich, creamy feel with tiny ceramide capsules, almost like little granules that melt and dissolve as you massage it into the skin. It looks and feels luxurious but sinks in without leaving that greasy, shiny finish. Despite being thick, it actually settles down to a very natural, non-glossy look. For me, that's a big win because I don't like looking oily after applying moisturizer. Now, having said that, I'm all in for the glass-like, that glass glow skin. But because I'm in such high humid climate, that if I go for moisturizers that make my skin looking like glass and all glowy, and I step into real humid weather outside, where I'm not in a temperature controlled room, my face starts to look so oily, feel so oily, and honestly, I don't like that. Because humidity, I tell you, a normal skin or, if you go with that glass kind of look, it can end up making it look like very oily and just not so pleasing. And even when I step out in the real weather, my skin is still looking matte throughout the day. And that's a big win. And what makes this cream special is its formulation. It's packed with ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol, the building blocks of a healthy skin. On top, it also has perilla seed extract. I tell you, this ingredient is showing up more and more in our skincare products. It also has tocopherol, vitamin E, and rosemary leaf extract, which helps against damage. And there is also this ingredient called phytosphingosine, which is a cell-communicating ingredient which helps with maintaining healthy skin barrier, but also it has anti-acne properties, which actually explains why, even being so thick, it did not give me any acne, any pimples, and it did not clog my pores. So for someone like me with acne-prone and sensitive skin, this blend really makes sense. Even though it's rich, the finish is not greasy at all. I personally find it works great as a night cream, but after trying it in the morning, I can say it also sits comfortably under sunscreen and makeup. Like I'm wearing it right now also. If you have very oily skin, you might still want to use it only at night, but my recommendation, give it a shot in the mornings too. It may surprise you. And if you have combination or sensitive skin, you can use it both ways. Now, if you're someone you don't like fragrance at all in your products, skincare products, you will love it. It's also free from mineral oils or animal-derived ingredients, and that makes it safe even for sensitive skin. And yes, it's marketed gentle for babies too, though I will suggest do a patch test before you go on and try it on your little ones. Having said that, I have tried this on my daughter who is a 9-year-old while we were traveling, and it worked beautifully for her. And not just for my daughter, even for my husband. He loves this cream so much, like we're literally often fighting over it. He has oily skin, and with men, I have found that they don't want any sort of shine or greasy, anything shiny they would not like. So if you're a man watching this video, you should definitely give this cream a try. And here is something important. A few weeks back, I had a bad reaction from another product. I got itchy, red bumps all over my cheeks. It was uncomfortable and honestly a bit scary. I did document this in one of my videos. It's linked up here in the cards. I kept my routine super simple and went straight to this cream. Within 5 days, my skin calmed down and healed. That experience has literally cemented this cream for me as a go-to savior whenever my skin barrier is compromised. This package here is 75 ml, but it also comes in 200 ml and 500 ml. That's huge for a moisturizer and honestly quite cost effective because then you can use it for your face, for your body, like all over. The fact that I finished a whole tube so quickly just shows how often I was reaching for it. So does it live up to its claims of 100 hours of hydration? I'll be honest, that one still feels to me more like a marketing number. I don't think there is anybody who goes 4 days straight without applying a moisturizer. But now I'm saying that, I'm thinking people who are maybe in very unfortunate situations, maybe people living in war countries, maybe them. But the claims about repairing and strengthening the barrier, it's absolutely true. I've seen it myself both in my daily routine and during a flare-up. Overall, the Illiyoon Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream has earned its place on my repurchase list, which is rare for me, I feel it has become more like, Cetaphil, gentle skin cleanser. That's something that I always have in my house. Even though when I'm not using it every single day, I still have it. Because for the days if I get some skincare reaction after trying something, I want to go back to my basic, super simple skincare routine, I feel this is one of those products now. It's soothing, barrier repairing, acne safe, and just one of those products I trust when my skin needs help. So if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, this particular product is worth considering. And if you've already tried this cream, I would love to know your experience. Please drop me down in the comments. And if you haven't tried it yet, you want to buy it, it's available on Amazon. I have put the link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please do like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.